All right. So when I teach in an in-person class, we usually have this lab for the students, but you guys don't take the lab with me. So I'm going to use this as your practice. Okay. So let's say if you take the lab later or you do something else later, it'll be good for practice anyway. All right. So this is what you're going to do. Simple question. Can you read the length of this leaf? Pause the video right here. Hold on, I'll help you real quick. So that's how far the leaves go from the zero. Okay. All right. Pause the video right here. Give me the length of this leaf with the good significant figures. All right. Let's see what we got. So it's 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So each hash mark is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For sure, this is over 3.5. All right, so 3.5, I am certain. So if you still remember, the significant figure consists of all certain digits plus one estimated digit. Okay, right now I'm sure this is 3.5, but it's not 3.6. So I have to guess to estimate the last digit. So I can do 3.56, 3.57, 3.58 and 3.59, whatever in there. Okay, so that's how you do it. All right. So the first two digits are certain number, and the last digit is estimated uncertain number. Okay. All right. So one more time. So the significant figure, a certain digit plus one uncertain digit. Okay. So the last digit. So how far the measurement can go, tell you how accurate an instrument is. All right. So I'll give you some example. Look at this crappy ruler. You should know this is really crappy. Okay. There's no hash mark between 3 and 4. All right. So how much you can read, how accurate you can read this value. Right. It's not going to be accurate because you can't really read like right in here. All right. So it's 3. I'm sure this is 3, but what after that? I'm not sure anymore. So I can go 3.5, 3.6. I think maybe a little bit 3.6. 3.7, 3.8, whatever in there. All right. The first digit is certain, but the last digit, no, I don't know what it is. I'm just guessing. So this ruler can give you only 2 sig figs. You can read up to 2 sig figs. That's it. Okay. All right. Now, when you read the volume of a graduated cylinder, so if you still remember the word meniscus, so you have to put the graduate cylinder and the meniscus at the bottom right here, right at your eyes level. Don't look from the top, from the bottom view. You will get an inaccurate measurement. Okay, your eyes have to be right at the same level at the meniscus. Okay. All right. Now let's read this volume together. So pause the video. Give me the number first. Let's see what we got. 6. This is 6 right here. 6.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, each hash mark is 1. So we go 6.1, 0.2, 0.3. For sure, this is over 6.3. And I have to estimate another number. Okay, so I can go 6.31, 6.32, 6.33 milliliter, whatever, 3.4, and so on. All right, so that's how it works. The scale, if you take the lab, maybe some of you take the lab. So you remember though, the number that you read in here, not all of them are certain number. The last number is always the estimated digit, and there's uncertainty on the last number. So watch out then. Okay. All right, that's pretty much it. There are a few types of the scale, but I hope you don't have to use all this like kind of dirty scale. This is like an old. Oh, don't forget to tear 0 every time before you make a measurement. Always hit 0 right here. What is it? Tear print right there. Tear or 0 right here. So set the scale to 0. Okay. All right, that's it. All right, go to the next video.